Namaste, my name is Yogi Joshi and you are watching Indian Prepper 24/7. First of all, let me wish you a happy new year 2018, and this is my first video of the year. I am starting with micro EDC. This is a two-part video. In this video I show you two micro EDC setup. That is, one is pouch. This is my traveling pouch. Is a EDC, not get home bag or survival, nothing. It's plain simple practical EDC setup. This is bigger one and this is a smaller one. So let's start with this one. I will put it over here. By the way, this is my biro. I'm going to make a big video on this. This is very heavy, very big, full tank, 5.5-inch blade, harpoon style blade. Okay, anyway, so I'll just start. This pouch have 3 compartment, one small and 2 big. In front compartment I put some headphone for my mobile, charging cable, 4 GB pen drive, some coin. In bigger compartment, this is my folding knife Azani. I already make a video on this and is very hefty and very good and sturdy knife. I really love this. Then a small lighter, my multi-tool, small multi-tool, and my medicine pouch. That not any big medical medicine kit. It's just like a first aid kit, a boo-boo kit. I put some ibuprofen, some tablet, some small knife and prep pad, and this is a mirror. It's a simple, it's nothing fancy of it, it's a plain and simple. That's it. And last compartment I put my solar panel, charging solar panel, and my 5000 compact power bank. This bank charge my mobile phone twice, and that is very sufficient for me. So if in case I charge my power bank with this, I just put in my back seat of car, and from sun I can charge this. And I use some cable. This is his cable, and this is my very basic travel kit or office kit setup. Thanks for watching. Bye.